Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cynthia Maynard and we do art and cooking here. I have a very easy recipe for you today. Some sheet pan Brussels sprouts and roasted salmon. I love to get the frozen salmon in Costco when I want to store some in my freezer. Otherwise, if I buy quote unquote fresh salmon, which in Michigan is, unless you're fishing for, I don't even know, do we have salmon? It's flown here frozen, so I don't want to thaw it in the store and then refreeze it or whatever, so it can get weird quick. So got some Brussels sprouts here, cleaned and halved. I had more footage, but I accidentally cut myself during the because I was trying out a new phone holder and I couldn't see. It was a big bummer. But anyways, so just putting some olive oil, or in this case, avocado oil, salt and pepper, some garlic powder, and I'm looking around for my tongs in my drawer of stuff here and found them. And I've got they're about 6-ounce portions of the salmon. They're very quick to thaw. Sometimes if I forget to thaw a protein, I grab the salmon and I throw them in my just raw in the package, vacuum sealed package in my Instant Pot with water, not turning it on or anything, but just using the pot because it's nice and deep and it thaws it rather quickly with some cool water. So spritzing on some olive oil there and gonna put some cracked black pepper and kosher salt. The salt you're gonna see, it's not dirty. It is like real salt and it's like the ancient, whatever. So those aren't flecks of weird things in my salt. That's just how it comes, just in case anyone comments. But just so seasoning that up. And then one of my favorite things to do is, this is coconut aminos in place. I don't like to have a lot of soy. I have a lot of hormonal issues and soy really messes with me. So I use the coconut aminos and a little bit of brown sugar or such like I'm going to use the Panela sugar, which I'll show you here in a second. And this is super tasty, and supposedly it is a lot less processed than a lot of other things. So just sprinkle, there's a little look-see of what that looks like, and sprinkle that on, and it has that sort of sweet and savory element to it. You could also brush on some mustard, would be really tasty. All sorts of things you can do with salmon. And I got my new oven. My last one caught on fire, and I waited a month for it to come in. Thankfully, I had my Instant Pot and air fryers, but I was trying the air fryer setting on this, and it didn't work very well, at least in the pan I was using. So I guess you gotta order their special pan. So I ended up doing a convection roast at 400, and it was super tasty. About 12 minutes will do the trick. Served it with some apples because we were in a bit of a rush. So quickie meal, if you feel like, oh, I'm done tired, can't do anything, pull out some salmon, thaw it really quickly, chop up some veg, season it, and roast it at 400. It just works every time. Thanks for joining me. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.